guys, welcome back to my channel Arabian Dreams. Hope you all are fine and safe. In this vlog you will get to see Mango Farm, which is located in Umluj, and also a special crab recipe is included in this vlog. And make sure to watch the video till the end, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. This video was taken during the Eid holidays when we visited Umluj. On entering the city, the walls on the other side were beautifully painted. We visited the mango farm during the afternoon. On that particular day, the weather was extremely hot and the humidity was also high. And the entrance to this farm is completely free. You don't have to pay any entrance fees. Inside the farm, varieties of mango trees, palm trees, lemon trees and many other trees were planted. And this place has become a popular destination for visitors and tourists who are coming to Umluj. Here at this farm, they also offer the opportunity to sample some freshly picked mangoes and other fruits and vegetables as well. There are different varieties of dates and other local fruits available here at this farm. I must say the farm themselves are beautiful and interesting places to tour. Definitely suggest you all to visit Umluj during the winter time so that you can enjoy the weather there instead of visiting it during the summer time. I have also included a special crab recipe in this vlog. Let's first check out the ingredients. We need 2 roughly chopped onions for grinding, and then I have taken 1 onion for sauteing. Totally I have taken 3 onions, 1 tomato, 3 green chilies, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 650 grams of crab. I have washed and cleaned it properly, half teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of salt, 2 cinnamon sticks, 3 cardamom pieces and half teaspoon of fennel seeds. Let's get started. Take a pan, add about 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil to it. Then add the roughly chopped onions to it and saute it well until it changes its color. Once the color of the onions gets changed, add about 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste to it and saute it well until the raw smell is gone. Now once the raw smell of ginger garlic paste is gone, add 1 chopped tomato to it and saute it well. Heat until the tomato becomes soft. Now add all the spices to it. That is half teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. And mix all the ingredients well. Now transfer all the mixture to a blender and then add half cup of water and half teaspoon of rock salt to it, and then add some grated coconut. That's completely optional. If you don't want, you can skip it, and grind it to a smooth paste. To the same pan, add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil to it. Then add cinnamon sticks, cardamom pieces and half teaspoon of fennel seeds to the oil. Once you get a nice aroma of all the spices, add 1 roughly chopped onion to it and saute it well until it changes its color. Now add 3 green chilies and mix it well. Then add half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste to it and saute it well until the raw smell is gone. This step is completely optional. If you don't want to add more ginger garlic paste, you can skip it. Then add half teaspoon of chili powder and quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and give it a nice mix. And then add the crabs to it. And then add the smoothly grinded paste to it with a half cup of water and mix it well. Now cover with a lid and leave it on a low flame for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now you can see it's almost ready. Give it a nice mix and switch off the flame. Now our delicious crab gravy is ready to be served. You can serve this gravy with white rice or chapati. I must say it's more flavorful when it's served with white rice. Try this recipe at your home and please send me your valuable feedbacks. Hope you all liked this vlog. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you all for watching.